shitload of them.
Oh, tank behind us.
Tank miners. Yeah.
There's so many.
Oh no, like these guys.
Oh
here.
my god. I'm not in a safe spot.
Come here, Christian. Oh,
Come.
behind us, Dan. To the right.
Come on. Come on, can you see me? I'm almost there. Oh my god, you can... Pick me up!
Oh, no, I'm getting shot, quick.
I'm in! Fly!
Fuck.
Low roof.
To the left.
You get a... Yeah, did you get a... Heli?
Yeah.
I'm coming. Oh. I'm gonna jump off the roof.
Some cunts.
I'm on the back of you! Let me in!
Oh,
Oh,
no.
it killed me! Oh, you have a helicopter behind you, chasing you.
Whoa. We going down? Whoa.
Yep.
Yep. Whoa. To repair ya or not?
Nah, it's okay. I don't know if I can hit us from here.
Yep.
Yeah, they can. Take the I'm gonna take the chopper to try get B or A.
I'll spawn in on with you.
Ready? Get ready to jump out. Jump out. Oh no! Why is there a guy sitting on A? Did you jump out?
I was in the chopper with you.
Ah.
I don't know who was in with it. Was a Christian?
No.
Who was in there?
you
I was
say?
talking to some random guy.
If you fly to B, just jump out of B.
I'm in the gunner.
Then?
Yep. Fly to B.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm hitting the chopper. Oh, we got him.
Go
Nice.
fly faster to B. Come on. Fuck. Oh, get out! Get out! What the
He didn't say anything. Doesn't say anything. Just fucking crashes.